This video we have made to show our support to the trend boycott made in China started by Mr. Sonam Wangchuk. The first thing that comes to the mind is why should we discard Chinese products? Well, you might be aware of the ongoing scuffle between the Indian and Chinese army on the border in Ladakh region. And this is not the first time that this kind of incident has happened. You all may remember the Doklam standoff which continued for more than 2 months. Being one of the powerful nations, China always resorts to the dictatorship attitude and shows of power. You can look at the situation in the South China Sea, where China is tussling with Vietnam and Taiwan and has created an illegal army island in international waters in spite of world strong disapproval. So how do we stop a powerful bully like China without any violence? Here, one thing which is important to notice is we do not have any problem with the Chinese people, but with China's government and its attitude which abuses its military power. The power that China gets from its GDP. GDP is very important for China, and we are one of the major contributors towards China's GDP. India's export from China is rupees 5.2 lakh crore, whereas India's export to China is merely 1.2 lakh crore. The money which we provide to China by buying their products ultimately strengthens China's GDP and gives more power to him. This power China abuses by supporting Pakistan's agendas against India and by rejecting India's bid for permanent seat in UN and making illegal territorial claims like Arunachal Pradesh being part of China that ends up in standoffs between the armies. Boycotting China's products is the need of the hour to show China that the wallet power is greater than bullet power. India has already shown the world the power of boycott. When India was under Britishers' rule, it was India's Swadeshi movement where Indians boycotted British products and adopted Indian products. So, how should we support this movement? Well, we all know that asking to get rid of all the Chinese products immediately is a far fetched idea. But at least we can get rid of the products which can immediately be replaceable, like Chinese softwares and apps. TikTok is one of them. Then we can focus on made in China products which we should not buy while shopping next time, like apparels and shoes, beauty products, LED lights, solar panels, firecrackers, decorative lights, toys. And finally, the major change we need to have is to get rid of the smartphones, watches, and other electronic gadgets, which are major contributors to the Chinese GDP. Now, people may say that China has already invested in many of Indian businesses, but what we are trying to convey here is that there is always an alternative, which Indian companies also have to look for. Economic factors should not always be the only component while seeking investment from Chinese companies. This is definitely not an easy task, but at least we can pledge to do so within 1 to 2 years. Minding Sonam Wangchuk's quote that in the 21st century we need not to die for our country, but we need to live for our country. In the next video, we will share the details of the products and Indian brands that you can have as an alternative to Chinese products. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.